Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 20, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and find the toggle, which here it's called mobile hotspot. And you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can customize things like our password and also the name of the hotspot itself. So let's start with the name. I'm gonna remove the unnecessary clutter there at the end. So it's going to be called Galaxy Note 20, and this is basically how it's going to look like, what you're going to be looking for in the Wi-Fi list. So let's tap on save. Then we have the password, which is just some randomly generated password. Remove it if you want. I'm going to set my own 1 through 8. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length, and from there you can tap on save as well. And then the band. So you have the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz version. Now, not every device will support 5 GHz. As you can see, it gives you the message, and I would advise you to at least try it, set up to 5 and see if your device can connect to it. And if you look into the Wi-Fi list and you don't see your hotspot, which would be the Wi-Fi Galaxy Note 20, then it would mean that your device most likely doesn't support it. And simply go back here and change it to 2.4. But if it does, then that's going to be better. The 5 GHz is going to be faster and more stable. And in general, it's just going to be better. Now, also, I'll mention this so there's no confusion. The Wi-Fi 5 GHz version is not the same as the 5 GHz for mobile network. So those are two completely standalone versions. As you probably know, the Note 20 doesn't actually have the 5 GHz version or 5G capability. So this is strictly for Wi-Fi, and it is not associated in any way with the actual mobile networking. So, like I said, select 5. If it doesn't work, drop it down to 2.4. And from there, you can simply enable it either from here by tapping on it. If I actually had a SIM card, I don't have a SIM card, so it won't allow me, but I can enable it from here, or simply by pulling down the notification panel and enabling it from the toggle. Now again, no SIM card, so I can't enable it. Now also, I'll add on to that, once you enable it and you're done using it, make sure you turn it off. It does draw a little bit more power from your device, so if you don't need it, I would recommend it just to disable it. But that is how you would enable, disable, and set up the hotspot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.